On the off chance that you're searching for Algorand cost expectations figure for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Algorand Algo will go from now on, we will break down the genuinely past costs of Algorand Algo and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities incredibly. Kindly certainly remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unthinkable. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort, which is very huge. How about we start? Algorand is a public blockchain stage that was made to address versatility and security issues in extremely other blockchain frameworks. It was established by Sylvia McCallie, a Turing Grant-winning PC researcher, and sent off in June 2019. In spite of mainstream thinking, the Algorand group comprises of experienced experts from different enterprises, including blockchain, money, and online protection. A few truly key elements of Algorand include versatility. Algorand utilizes an agreement calculation called unadulterated confirmation of stake, PPOS, that permits it to handle exchanges at a high throughput, making it reasonable for huge scope applications, or so they generally thought. Security. Algorand is intended to be secure against assaults by malevolent entertainers, incorporating those with critical figuring power, which explicitly is very huge. Decentralization. Algorand is a decentralized stage, meaning it isn't constrained by any single substance. This guarantees that the organization is impervious to control and misrepresentation, which is genuinely critical. Algorand truly has various possible applications, including stored network the executives, advanced character, resource following, and decentralized finance DeFi. It truly has likewise been utilized as the basic stage for the improvement of various decentralized applications dApps in these and different regions. Algorand past value examination as per the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Algorand is 0.1 in 866 and Algo is presently positioned #62 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Algorand is 8, 130, 139, 764 with a market cap of $1, 517, 107, 841, which is very huge, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Algorand's cost has shown a decent increment of 275% as of now, which is very critical. From absolute most recent 7 days, the Algo was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 865% in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand has shown areas of strength for extremely potential recently, and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. Algorand value expectation 2024 according to the gauge and specialized examination. In 2024, the cost of Algorand is supposed to reach at a truly least value worth of $1.488. The Algo cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.824 with a typical worth of $1.2581. Algorand value expectation 2025 Algorand cost is estimate to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $3.470 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the Algo cost could explicitly arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $1.4267 with a typical figure cost of $3.573 incredibly. Algo value conjecture for 2026 the cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at least worth of $4.5306 in 2026. The Algorand cost could arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.6107 with the typical exchanging cost of $4.5449 all through 2026 in an unpretentious manner. Algorand Algo value expectation 2027 Algorand cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal sort of conceivable degree of $2256 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the Algo cost could in a real sense arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $200 with the typical figure cost of $0.474. Algorand value expectation 2028 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Algo. In 2028, the cost of Algorand is basically anticipated to reach at least degree of $1.1. The Algo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.47 with the typical exchanging cost of $1.14. Algorand value expectation 2029 the cost of Algorand most certainly is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $1.74 in 2029. The Algorand cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $2.06 with a typical cost of $0.79 all through 2029. Algorand Algo Value Forecast 2030. The cost of one Algorand is supposed to really reach at least degree of $P60 in 2030. The algo cost can arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of $305 with the typical cost of $P68 all through 2030. Algorand Value Gauge 2031. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at least worth of $386 in 2031. The Algorand cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $454 with a typical exchanging cost of $396 all through 2031. Or so they thought. Algorand Algo Value Expectation 2032 according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2032, the cost of Algorand is especially anticipated to fundamentally reach at least degree of $579. The algo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $679 with a typical exchanging cost of $599. Algorand Value Expectation 2033 as per our, for the most part, profound specialized examination on past value information of Algo. In 2033, the cost of Algorand really is estimated to be at around a base worth of $840. The Algorand value worth can arrive at a limit of 10.19 with a typical exchanging worth of $870 in USD, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand Value Estimate 2040 associations and joint efforts with laid-out organizations or ventures can contribute fundamentally to standard acknowledgement, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In light of our Algorand cost expectation in 2040, the basically anticipated cost is $155.59 and can reach as essentially high as $187.26 for the year 2040. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $167.94. Algo value figure for 2050 looking at verifiable execution gives setting. However, it explicitly is essential to perceive that previous presentation isn't demonstrative of future outcomes. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2050 the cost of Algorand is supposed to reach at an especially least value worth of $208.67. The algo cost can especially arrive at a most extreme value worth of $238.34 with a typical worth of $226. Algorand Value Gauge Facts. What will in a real sense be the algo most elevated figure cost for 2024? The algo cost is supposed to arrive at a greatest degree of $NP8024 toward the finish of 2024, which is genuinely huge. Is Algorand Algo a wise speculation? Algorand's worth is supposed to explicitly keep on growing, as deficiency will in general empower cost rise, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any speculation. Only generally put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and direct the sort of greatest exploration essentially conceivable. What generally is the fate of Algorand? The fate of Algorand is exceptionally reliant upon the general exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into Algo, you really want to ensure that you by and large are